Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys on how you can change your language on your OnlyFans account. To do so, just follow some simple steps. First of all, go into your Google browser and search for onlyfans.com and input your account credentials to log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll be on the home page. And here on the home side, you can see an option for more on the left hand side. Click on more, and from here on out, click on settings again. After you click on settings, go on to general and click on display. And after doing so, you can see an option for language. Click on language, and here are all the languages that you can choose from to input it in your OnlyFans. And that's how you can change your language on OnlyFans from your PC. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.